Guys, this is insane. Cheeks, his head is gone. No, I'm just kidding, but this is insane. Tommy escaped. Look. So, everything, the cage is right here, right? We open the door up in the morning. He flies around the house, but then sometimes while we're getting there, he chews on it. You can see these holes. Today, look. He escaped through there. And then he was, Luke told me, and then he was just standing right there. We tried getting him, and he just flew all the way over, he flew around our whole house into that tree. We hear him screaming. He's only, we heard him screaming, so we put the cage here, and to see if Tommy will come back, and Cheek's head is gone. See? I hear him.
I guess you gotta go.
I heard him. Did you hear him? Here's the baby butties. Where is he? That's them. You can hear him scream like, ah! Oh my gosh. The Thompson baby Bertie. He's gone. Oh yeah. Cheeks ripped. Oh. Tommy is gone. If he doesn't come back, no more of no more screaming, no more killing parrots. Nah, just kidding. But no more fighting Cheeky. But that's bad. Then no more laughing because it's funny when he screams, so then we won't be able to laugh. He's gone. He is gone, guys. This is insane. It's the end of him. Alright, that'll be the end of this video. So, see you in the next. That'll be the end of this video, guys. Okay? That'll be the end of it today. Now it will be the end of the video today, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.